Etong mister ko nga guys ay mahal na mahal ang larong cricket. Ayan ang pambansang laro ng India. Hindi nga mapakali ang mister ko guys. Gawa ng baka umulan at ipinagdarasal niya na hindi sana umulan. Lalo pa nga ngayon guys na maglalaro ang kanyang paboritong team. Paborito nga ng mister ko si Kohli. Virat Kohli yung pangalan niya guys. At talaga namang isa siya sa pinakasikat na player ng cricket dito nga sa India. Tapos representative pa siya ng Bangalore. Ay, nako naman. Talaga namang andito pa sila ngayon maglalaro sa Bangalore. Kaya pinagdarasal talaga ng maraming tao. At isa na nga doon ang mister ko na wag sanang umulan sa Bangalore dahil hindi sila makakapaglaro. Oh my God, it's raining. Ayang mga nakablunga ang team ni Virat Kohli na ang representative nila ay Bangalore. At umulan na nga guys. Ayan na nga, lalo nga siyang naging malungkot dahil nga umulan. Pero tumigil din agad at nakapaglaro nga ulit yung kanyang team.
See how we catch.
Wow. It's nicely catch.
Oh, he's surprised. See.
Oh my God.
That's okay.
Why?
Only one run.
Only one run?
Catch, catch. Oh my God.
What happened?
Four. Yeah. Oh my God. This ball is very important. This ball is very important. This ball very very important. He has to not eat. He eats six now. That's a problem. My goodness. Please help God.
Hey! Catch!
Six. Oh my God. Six.
Catch! Ay! Catch! Oh my God, catch!
Nicely.
Oh!
One time they are celebrating, one time we are celebrating. This match is very tough. Good, very good, very good. Nice. Three balls, 11 runs. You not celebrating. Again he hits six, problem only. Yes. But now two balls. Hit six also, there is chance. Now only one ball has to waste. Only one ball has to waste. Only one ball. See everyone playing. See one.
My God.
Yes! Win! Qualified. Now one ball they cannot hit 10 runs.
Yeah.
Only one ball. See. One ball 10 runs. Not possible.
Ang sakit talaga kamay ko. Yay, RCB. Bangalore is win. Bangalore.
RCB.
RCB.
So much happy.
Oh my God.
Hey, so much happy for this baller. He only
Oh.